Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode of Pritha's Cooking House. Today's recipe is chicken burger. So let's get started, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. And if you like the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and comment on the below comment section. And if you have any special requests regarding any recipes, then do let me know by commenting on the below comment section. The ingredients details are below there in the description box. Please have a look. As I will be making a chicken burger, so at first we need to prepare the mixture for our chicken patty. For that, I have taken here 250 grams of boneless chicken. I have washed the chicken properly, and then I have added the chicken pieces into a mixing jar and added some onion. I have used here some chopped onion. I have used here around one medium size chopped onion, some salt as per taste, around 2 tablespoons dark soya sauce. If you have light soya sauce, then you need to use 4 tablespoons. Then I will be adding some red chili flakes, around 2 teaspoons, and some oregano or mixed herbs, around 2 teaspoons. To make the chicken patty more soft or more moist, we need to add some fresh cream here. So I have used around 4 to 5 tablespoons fresh cream, and I am using here Amul fresh cream to make the thing more moist or more soft. After that, we will be adding around 2 tablespoons cornstarch or corn flour for binding the patty, and then finally we will be adding around 1 cube or 1 tablespoon butter for make it more moist and more soft. And then we will be adding half egg. So I have taken 1 egg and I have beaten it very well, and then I have added half portion of the egg, and then I have grinded it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let me check the consistency or the texture of the chicken. It has been grinded or blended properly, but it looks a bit sticky. So now at this point of time, we need to add some breadcrumbs. I am using here around 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs, and again we will be grinding this thing for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of grinding it, let me show you the texture. Yeah, we can see the texture and it looks manageable. So now just take it out from the mixing jar. Now let's add some black pepper powder. I am adding here around 2 teaspoons black pepper powder, and then we need to mix it very well. Let's make the patty. For that, grease some oil in your hand, and then take a portion from the blended chicken mixture and just try to give it a shape. So like this you need to give it a shape, and after that you need to dust some maida or all-purpose flour into it, and need to keep this aside. Like this you need to make all the chicken patty. Following the same procedure, you need to make all the chicken patties. For a better understanding, I am repeating the same step. With 250 grams of boneless chicken, I have made 4 medium-sized chicken patties. So all my chicken patties are now ready. So let's keep this aside and refrigerate it for minimum 4 to 5 hours. And if you want, you can store them up to 1 week in a freezer. After 5 hours, I am back, and I have taken it out from the freezer. So let's prepare the coating for our patty. For that, I have taken here half beaten egg. Now in the half beaten egg, we need to add around 2 tablespoon corn flour or cornstarch and 3 tablespoon maida or all-purpose flour, and then we need to give it a quick mix. The mixture looks a bit thickish. For that, now let's add some milk into it. So I am adding here around 3 tablespoon milk, and after adding the milk, just give it a quick mix. The thickness or the consistency of the slurry needs to be like this, and there shouldn't be any lumps. So now we need to add some salt as per taste into it and some black pepper powder. I have added here around 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and need to give it a good mix. Let's prepare the coating. For that, I have taken here around 150 grams of breadcrumbs. So now take a patty. With the help of a knife, I have taken it because it's very soft, and put it into the slurry or the mixture which we have made earlier, and just coat it very well with the help of a spoon. I am coating it. All the sides needs to be coated well. After all the sides are well coated with the slurry, we need to put this into the breadcrumbs, and we need to coat this well. All the sides needs to be well coated with the breadcrumbs, because the crispiness or the crunchiness of the patty depends on the breadcrumbs coating. So all the sides needs to be very well coated. So like this, we need to prepare the breadcrumbs coating. See, it looks perfect. The coating has been done very well. Now just keep this aside. Now following the same procedure, we need to make all the chicken patty. For your better understanding, I am just repeating the step. If you are new here in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. And if you like the burger recipe, then please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to leave your valuable feedback on the below comment section. All the chicken patties are now ready and well coated. Now we need to refrigerate it for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I have taken it out from the refrigerator, and now let's fry the patties. For frying it, I have taken one karhai or frying pan, and I have put some oil, refined oil into it, and when the oil is well heated, we need to put these patties into the oil and need to fry them well. After few minutes, with the help of a spatula, you need to put some oil on the upper portion of the chicken patty. Like this, you need to do this. Both the sides of the patties needs to be fried well, and the flame should be low to medium at this point of time. Once you see both the sides are well fried and the color has been changed, you need to take it out from the oil, and following the same procedure, we need to fry all the chicken patties. Let's assemble the burger. For that, in a frying pan or tawa, you need to take around 1.5 tablespoon of butter, and when the butter is melted, we need to put the burger buns into it and need to toast the burger buns. So you can get burger buns from any departmental store, and with the help of your hand, you need to press down gently and need to toast them. This step is optional. If you want, you can skip it, but if you will do this, then the burger will be more tasty. Now let's put some burger mayonnaise on the burger bun. With the help of a spoon, you just need to spread the burger mayonnaise, and you can easily get burger mayonnaise from any departmental stores, and if you don't have burger mayonnaise, then you can definitely use plain normal mayonnaise as well. After that, put some fresh lettuce leaf, then add the burger patty. After that, let's put a cheese slice on the top of the burger patty, and then put some onion rings on the top of the cheese slice. So as per your requirement or as per your choice, you can add onion rings. I am using here 3 onion rings. And then add some sliced tomatoes. I am adding here 2 tomatoes. And finally, put some more burger mayonnaise on the other side of the burger bun and spread it well with the help of a spoon like this, and then put it on the top, and our chicken burger is finally ready now. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.